Hello! Today we draw a lamb. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please watch the full video. Yay! It's coloring time! Light orange, brown, black, red, orange, yellow, light green, sky blue, Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye friends.